Okay, let's look at the absolute value and its tangent line at the origin. Um, in this case, we are looking at this limit f0 plus h minus f of 0. Again, this is our x coordinate divided by h. Okay, so we write the limit. So fh is absolute value of h and f0 is 0 divided by h. So we get the limit as h goes to 0 of absolute value of h over h. And for this limit, if we have to approach from right, left and right. So if we approach from right, absolute value is h. So this is just 1. But if we approach from left, then this is minus h over h, which is minus 1. So the left hand side, the right hand side and the left hand side limits are different, which means that this limit does not exist. And also there's no tangent line.